Kurumka. So today I would like to appeal and request to all the youth of Tripura regarding this incident of violence between political parties happening around the TTADC areas of Tripura. So this is my humble request to all the youths to not participate in such violence, where the only beneficiaries are the corrupted leaders who are taking advantage of your precious time and energy to gain political power and money for themselves and not for our Tiprasa. One important thing that we all should remember is that we are living in a democratic country where we the people choose our leader. The leaders don't choose us. That's our rights and responsibility. And presently our only leader, who has been selflessly working for the people, even though he's not associated with any political party or organization, is our Bobagra, His Highness. So I request to all our Tiprasa leaders, please come together and support our Bobagra's vision for our people. I believe that only he can unite us and change the system and lead our youth to a better future and save our existence. Humbly.